Discuss about Search Regex WordPress plugin. Many times we see search and replace plugin do not fulfill our requirement. So at that time, by use regular expression, search we can fulfill and can do work. For example, my friend want this requirement need to replace 2024 with 2025 in multiple posts without changing image URL. Tried better search replace, but it also modified media links. So at that time it is very helpful. Search regex is very helpful. So first uh, we are going to installation tab, and then search at here plugins, go to plugins and click on add new, and then search regex, and now install. And now activate. Now go to tools and click on search regex, and at here you can modify with regular expression. So at here we want 2024 to 2025, and if for example I at here I have one image with 2022, so I am at here removing 2022 to 2025. Okay, and I also adding 2023 uh, so that it will be good, and we can check here 2023. Okay, so at here first go at here, and then you have to add some regular expression at here, something at here. So like at here I want 2022, and what you want 2025, and at here you have to add regular expression. So and there are there are lots of column at here. So yeah, if you want to replace in title, then you can select at here, and if you want to replace in content, then select at here. So there are lots of option at here, so you can select which at where you want to replace. Like I want replace in content, and then at here also, like only one time or multiple time, I want multiple times, so at here, and um, and then at here you can select output, so like 100 per page which you want. So like I am 50 per page at here. Now before clicking replace all, first click on search, so that it will search and show you what they are replacing. So at here you can see there are two posts at here. So they are replacing here 2025 and P 2025, and in the page they are replacing date 25 and Feb 2025, but we do not want to replace at page. So at post type, at here you can select post type, so remove this page from here and then refresh again. So at here it is showing only 4 posts, and at here hello world, then it is appropriate with our requirement. So then click on replace all. Now click on finish. Now check it is old, and check it is new. Now it is here 2025, and 2025 is awesome year, and no replacement of image also. At here it is 2022, so no replacement of image. And that's it guys. Now and one more thing, before do all functionality of this, please take backup for safe mode, and after do all thing like this, then at that time you can delete that backup if not required. And that's it guys. And my goal is to hit 2000 subscriber, and your support means the world to me. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.